So I was messing around my firearms, and yeah, here's devices. So I'm fully assembled. I mean disassembled. So out of that, back of that, back of this, and the back of this. Yeah. So is this one. See, the inside. We have the strobe lens. The board itself. And then the back of it. So yeah. System sensor firearms. Here's the thing about these though. It's like I'll clip the strobe back in the back of it, of course. Clip in the strobe lenses on these. By the way, both these strobe lenses are exactly the same. Okay, so back of these boards. Oh, this is for put these on their little holders right here. Wait a second. So as the sealing device. But yeah. I can do this. Now it's a strobe only device. Now this is a horn strobe. See? I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Also, yes, clips are slightly damaged on these now. Oh, on the shells themselves. See? Here's the special alert. For sure, the P2R shell is exactly the same. Here's a that shell. Place on the correct perspective things. But yeah, interesting, isn't it? Look at this. Deloslex on both these. It seems the strobe portion of these are exactly the same. Pretty much. The only difference, this one has a horn on it now. And different connects. Yeah, these are cool. You may unclip them from their little things. It's off. Yeah, I'm struggling. I know I'm wasting time, but I can't edit. start at it. Come on, please dismount. I wish I could mount the camera to me. Kind of. Not really. Not mounted to me, but like. Or some kind of table with the camera being held. What's that? Oh, it won't dismount. It won't dismount, alright. It won't dismount. I can't get it off. Can't get it off. There we go. Strobe. I got a horn strobe 4-wire. Also, no, I cannot put on the ceiling device thing, but I can put this here, the strobe module on the horn strobe's back. Look how weird it looks. Kind of. And push it in. It's not supposed to go in here, but it does fit. Wait, what? Doesn't it? Oh, system sensor. Cheeky little company. Wait, what? Really? System sensor put some things to prevent you from doing that. Fail saves. Yeah. Macs are different, of course. They're the same size, but different. See. You want to see an inside of firearm? Now you have. This is marked strobe on it. CRD207 strobe and TMBM. Some random numbers here. 1016-821. Then we have system sensors average number. Okay, on this board it says 4-wire, and then if we go to the back it says CRD0306, then 4-wire, and of course TBM. No markings this time, but on the horn we have 11/03/2008. 11/03/2008. Interesting. So you got to see inside of a firearm. Yep. Ultimately not showing the strobe module in here. Click. Yeah, there we go. Totally believable. Yeah, okay, so, yeah, cool, isn't it? Gotta see inside of the firearms. Yeah, hopefully this is not that badly damaged. It's just the clips, like, only the clips, pretty much. Some dust, it'll clean that off eventually. But yeah, only the clips are damaged. I mean, this shell has a tiny bit of damage, but not much affecting it. This doesn't have that much damage at all, but of course, the clips got damaged a bit. Cool on it. Just screws. Nice. So, comment down below. Actually, an idea. I have disassembled this before, but I can't do it right now. It's pretty simple, but it's just a switch up here. When the glass is in, this will be pushed. I cannot do that right now, but and then break the glass, that switch gets released, and it'll activate it. So yeah, can't shoot it inside of that though, because I don't have tools, or I don't want to damage it beyond it already is. Yeah, here, cool, isn't it? Someone would want to do something with it. The inside space, probably, who knows? Maybe a broken version. They put a, or imagine trying to scam someone. Like you put it. Second. I'm sorry, I'm wasting time. I could just pause the recording, but I'm not doing that today. I'm not doing Why would I do it? I'm not waiting 10 years for CapCut or something to load. Yeah, it takes 10 decades, I know. And I can't afford the paid version, so yeah. Okay, so here's the things. Rollable bases. Imagine this. You put this in here and they power it and they're like, wait a second. Or they look on the back and they're like, this ain't a P4R. And then they realize there's a horn jump. Or you try scamming someone out of a horn strobe and then they realize it's a strobe only unit. Of course, this is a ceiling device, but pretty sure the the SW is probably just, it's literally just an SW, but shoved into a circle body, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Cool, isn't it? Look, it's a strobe only. A horn strobe. I promise it's a horn strobe. Don't look at the back. That totally is not true. It totally has tone select. Yep, you can definitely trust this. Yeah, well, it's cool, isn't it? So, yeah, that's for today's video. Subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever.